Have you ever seen a logo, brand name, or slogan and instantly recognized the company behind it? Think about Nike's swoosh, Apple's logo, or McDonald's golden arches. That recognition is exactly why trademarks exist. In today's video, we're going to break down what a trademark is, why it matters, the different types of trademarks, and how businesses use them to protect their brand identity. So, if you're starting a business, building a brand, or just curious about intellectual property, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is a trademark? A trademark is a legal protection given to a brand's identity. It can be a name, logo, symbol, word, slogan, design, or even a sound that helps customers identify a business or product. In simple words, a trademark tells people this product or service comes from this specific company. For example, the name Coca-Cola is a trademark. The Nike swoosh logo is a trademark. Even slogans like "Just Do It" are trademarks. A trademark helps businesses stand out from competitors and prevents others from copying their identity. Why are trademarks important? Imagine spending years building your business reputation only for another company to use a similar name or logo and confuse your customers. That's where trademarks become important. A trademark gives the owner exclusive rights to use that mark for certain goods or services. It helps protect brand identity, build customer trust, prevent market confusion, increase business value. And in many cases, trademarks become one of the most valuable assets of a company. Some brands are worth billions of dollars simply because people recognize and trust them. Types of trademarks. Now let's talk about the different types of trademarks. One marked, word mark. A word mark protects the text itself. This means the name is protected regardless of font, style, or design. For example, Google, Samsung, Pepsi. If you register a word mark, you protect the wording itself. This is usually considered one of the strongest forms of trademark protection. 2. Logo mark. A logo mark protects the visual design or symbol of a brand. This includes icons, graphics, stylized text, brand symbols. For example, Apple's Bitten Apple logo or the Twitter bird logo. Even if the company name is not written, people still recognize the brand instantly. 3. Combined mark. A combined mark protects both the name and logo together as one design. Many businesses register combined marks because they use their name and logo together in branding. For example, a company name written in a specific stylized design with a symbol beside it. 4. Mark slogans can also be trademarked if they uniquely identify a brand. Examples include "Just Do It," "I'm loving it because you're worth it." A strong slogan can become closely connected to a business in the minds of customers. 5. Sound mark. Yes, even sounds can be trademarks. Some companies protect unique sounds that people instantly recognize. For example, the Netflix intro sound, the MGM lion roar, or certain startup jingles used in advertisements. If a sound becomes associated with a brand, it may qualify for trademark protection. 6. Shape or 3D mark. In some cases, even the shape of a product or packaging can be trademarked. For example, the Coca-Cola bottle shape, unique packaging designs, distinctive product appearances. If customers recognize a product by its shape alone, it may qualify as a trademark. What cannot be trademarked? Not everything can become a trademark. Generally, trademarks cannot be generic terms, descriptive words without uniqueness, misleading marks, offensive content, or marks that are too similar to existing trademarks. For example, you usually cannot trademark the word phone for mobile phones because it's too generic. Trademark offices want marks to be distinctive and capable of identifying a specific business source. Trademark classes. When filing a trademark, businesses must choose specific classes. Trademark classes categorize goods and services. For example, clothing belongs to one class, software belongs to another, restaurant services belong to another. This system helps determine where trademark protection applies. Two businesses may sometimes use similar names legally if they operate in completely different industries. Registered versus unregistered trademarks. A trademark can be either registered or unregistered. An unregistered trademark may still have limited rights based on usage, but a registered trademark provides stronger legal protection. Registration often gives nationwide rights, legal evidence of ownership, better enforcement options, and stronger protection against infringement. That's why many businesses choose to officially register their trademarks. How long does a trademark last? Unlike patents, trademarks can potentially last forever. As long as the trademark is actively used and renewed when required, protection can continue indefinitely. That's why some famous trademarks have existed for over 100 years. Trademark versus copyright versus patent. People often confuse trademarks with copyrights and patents. Here's the simple difference. A trademark protects brand identity. A copyright protects creative works like music, videos, books, and artwork. A patent protects inventions and new technologies. Each serves a completely different purpose in intellectual property law. In today's business world, branding is everything. A trademark helps protect the identity, reputation, and trust that a business builds over time. Whether it's a name, logo, slogan, sound, or even packaging, trademarks play a major role in helping companies stand out in the marketplace. If you're starting a business or building a brand, understanding trademarks is one of the smartest first steps you can take. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to learn about trademarks and intellectual property. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.